What's up YouTube? It's your girl TyraRenee and I'm back with another video. Finally, it's been forever, but I've been looking to see what kind of content you guys like based off what I've posted so far. And my natural feminine care product video did really well. So today I decided to come with another part 2 to that video. Today we're going to be talking about hygiene products that every woman should have. So in this video I'm super excited because I have more products for all you guys, stuff that I've tried, stuff that I love, and stuff that other women like you and me have tried and love as well. So without further ado, let's get started. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. And also leave comments down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. Let's get started.
Baby, it's my maestro on the beat. Oh, Joey Zaza, jaga 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 naira. She dey give me choices, she make me happy.
Okay, so first, everyone wants to stay fresh and clean. So the products that we're going to use to do that obviously are going to be washes. But we all know going into 2019 that we're leaving those soaps behind. Those harsh soaps like Dove's and, you know, everything that has a lot of chemicals in it, we just leaving that back in 2018, 2017 because we ain't know no better. But now we know better. And so because of that, we deserve to give our bodies better. So I'm bringing to you some of the best holy grail feminine washes thus far. Now I'm not going to count any other natural ones out. I do know Honey Pot has one that a lot of women love. I haven't gotten a chance to try that one yet. That's something you can get your hands on at any store, I'm sure. I know for sure they have it at Target, but I think they just moved into Walmart as well. So make sure you check that out. But I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. Okay, so this brand is one that I talked about in my first video. It's by Sweet Cookies. It's getting very popular all over the place. Like, she blew up so fast, but I see why. But anyway, so this is the lavender one and this one's unscented. So these are two washes that you can definitely try. They retail for $20. She has some stores that actually sell them, or you have to order them online. She also has something to where you can get your products shipped to, I think, every 3 months. It's a kit and it comes with a lot of the products that a lot of women need. So if you want to jumpstart yourself and you want something that's going to, you don't have to go out and buy it all the time. You just want it shipped to you, like, I forgot what they're called. Payment plan? Something like that. But basically it's a box. It's a special box filled with all her special products. So I say do that if you're trying to get into this natural wave or you just want to start something new. So yes, get those, or you can get Honey Pot, like I said, at Target or Walmart. So let's jump into the next product. Alright, so the next one is something pretty obvious, but probably not so obvious to people. Mainstream feminine products have a lot of chemicals. And I think I already said that, but let's reiterate how serious it is. When we're talking about pads and tampons, the cotton that's used is bleached and have chemicals and pesticides used that can affect you down there in not so good of a way. And that stuff can sit in for over a month. So our periods come every month. So if by the time you get that out of your system, you're putting it back into your system, it's like you're never getting it out. And so you're irritating yourself down there. You're exposing yourself to all kind of chemicals and pesticides. Pesticides are strong. They kill bugs. So think about what it's doing to you down there. So we don't want to do that. So now we want to get smarter and better. I'm going to insert a video of the beautifulness that I found at Target. I don't know if that's a word, but we just made it one. But anyways, I was walking down the aisle looking for regular pads. I haven't found pads yet that I could trust that are natural to absorb everything I needed to absorb, because I flow pretty heavy. If I don't make the tea, that helps me to control my flow. And on this occasion, I had not taken the tea, number one, and number two, I didn't have time to be experimenting because I needed something that was going to catch everything, like I said. But while I'm walking down the aisle, I saw so many different natural feminine care products right there in the aisle at Target. One of my favorite ones was there, and if you watched my last video, you know what brand that is. You guessed it. Cora. You can't see it because it's too bright. Let me try to... Yeah, y'all, my iPhone is not trying to pick it up. But this is Cora. But these are the tampons that I was telling everybody about in my first video. They're so good. I trust them. It absorbs everything I need to absorb. I feel safe with these. I actually sit down and relax when I have these in, when I'm using them. So yeah, this is the only brand that I've used so far for that purpose. But a lot of other women have said that Honey Pot was really good. I really want to try that one, especially their pads. I know they're infused with different essential oils that help to keep you fresh, as well as help to reduce cramping, which is something that all of us want. And I really heard that it really works. Like, it soothes you down there. And once you try them, you can't go back to a regular pad, which is what we all want. That's the goal at the end of the day. So hop on those as well. Like I said, Target has them and Walmart has them now as well. Okay, so everybody wants to stay fresh all day, whether you just want to stay fresh because you're not doing anything, or you're on your cycle, or you're always running around, you're busy, or you're like me, you live in the Sunshine State and it gets hot, so you sweat. So we're gonna kill that issue today by adding our next item, which is wipes. So I do have a honey pot product today with me, and it's the wipes that I use now. I also use Dove wipes, baby wipes, the Dove baby wipes. I feel like anything that's for a baby is sensitive enough for me, okay? All right, I wish my favorite brand, Sweet Cookies, had some wipes, because I would hop on that real quick, but they don't. So I use Honey Pot. So Honey Pot is really good. I like these. I will say that even though these are the sensitive ones, they're a little too strong for me. So I try not to use them as much. I probably use my Dove wipes more than I'll use these. But I'm sure some of y'all out there can take more than me, so go ahead and go pick these up. I believe these were $10.99 at Target. You get 30 in a pack. They have the regular ones and they have the sensitive ones. I know Honey Pot is also good because they have products for women who are pregnant, and so they have stuff in them to make sure that they're sensitive enough for you and your baby. So try them out as well. I know they have wipes for that, but I did not see those sold at Target. I just saw the normal ones and I saw the sensitive. But I would say if you're just trying them out, just so your body can get used to them, or to see if they'll be too strong for you, start off with sensitive. But yeah, the key is that you just simply want a nice gentle cleanse. I use my wipes, you know, during the day when I feel like I'm not as fresh or clean because I was sweating a lot. I also tend to use them a lot when I'm on my cycle and, you know, in between changes, y'all. I'm changing and I want to clean myself up before I put in a new fresh product. I like to make sure I wipe myself and clean myself and I'm good. Okay, so also in the same line of staying fresh and blocking out odor, I have another product, and it is a deodorizing spray. It's not an antiperspirant and it's all natural. It's a deodorizing spray. I use it on myself and it works just fine. Yeah, I decided to use this in replacement of another product I used to use. Oh, Summer's Eve. Summer's Eve. I stopped using Summer's Eve like in 2016 because it was just throwing me all off. I was young, didn't know no better, and trying to, like, you know, become a woman, and that stuff was really just had me all over the place. But anyways, so yeah, this works better for me. I don't go all the way down there. I just simply do, there's the top, that's the bottom. I stay up here, okay, like up to my stomach and a little bit down. I stop there. I don't go no lower with the spray, but I'm gonna show you what spray it is. I use the Crystal Essence Mineral Deodorant Body Spray and Lavender and White Tea. They have other scents as well, but this is the one that I grabbed. You can get this at any natural store. It works amazing. Down there is very sensitive. It doesn't burn or anything like that. It doesn't leave discoloration. If anything, it helps to brighten. And so I really love this product, and it helps to definitely block out odor. I live in Florida, like I said, and it just get hot and a little out of control. So we gotta keep it controlled down here. But also, guess what? I don't have it with me, unfortunately, but it just dropped. Sweet Cookies just dropped a cookie mist that keeps you moist and fresh throughout the day, and I'm super excited to try that product. I'm going to order it, but I don't have it right now. But yeah, so that's an awesome product. Definitely make sure you try that out. Just go on their page and buy everything. Just buy everything, because they're just that bomb. Just that bomb. Hop on the Sweet Cookie wave. Yes, I am a fan. No, I'm not sponsored. A lot of y'all come to me and ask me opinions about it. That stuff really worked, okay? Another thing, if the soap is too strong for you, the Sweet Cookie Mist is supposed to be also like a second option to wash. You can use it in the shower if you're a little too sensitive for soaps. So that's also another good one. So you got two things in one. You can throw it in your purse and you can use it in the shower. So you kill two birds with one stone. It's a win-win. You might as well get it. Alright, so next, we all know that an imbalanced pH can lead to infection and odor, and that's something that none of us want. That's why we're all here right now, because we want to know how to combat those things. So you want to get something that helps from within, not just on the outside. You don't want to have something that masks your odor. You want to actually do something that actually works on the inside. So for that, I was going to say the best product for last, but I'm going to start off with it. Actually, save it for last because y'all need to get these other details first, because y'all gonna skip straight to that, but y'all need the other stuff too. So we're gonna skip. Alright, so we're gonna start out with our vitamin. Everybody should be taking a vitamin once a day. Everybody used to say this to me, and I hear people say it, and I'm just like, who has time? I mean, that's overrated. I'm doing just fine without it. But are you? You're watching this video because you're really not. You're lacking something. So these right here are going to help you. The brand I use is by New Chapter. It's made with organic vegetables and herbs. As ICS certified organic, so that's really good. Some people say that they're organic, but you're not allowed to say that unless you're really certified organic. So they're certified organic, so they get a check from me. But anyways, they're every woman's one daily multivitamin. They're whole food cultured multivitamins with nutrients for stress, immune, and bone support, and can be taken on an empty belly. That's the main thing that caught me with this, and that's why I picked it up. I don't eat a lot throughout the day. Sometimes you don't have time, so these are perfect for you. This is everything that you need on a daily to stay healthy. So next, you want to get something that is good for your urinary tract health. The product I have for that is the CranActin Urinary Tract Health Supplements. These are so bomb, y'all. Like if you're battling with BV or yeast infections, these also help to treat that as well. So I finally said the mouthful to say this. If you battling with yeast infection and BV and you need some good help, quick and fast and in a hurry, you want to get these right here. Sweet Cookies is on it. Okay, so they have this. It's called Cookie Restore, moving out the yeast. Get it? Move. That's why I said a milk carton. And it says on the bottom, it says, what's better than milk and cookies? Well, this isn't really milk, but there's almost nothing better for an irritated cookie, and that is so true. Anyways, let me stop being dramatic. But anyway, if you suffer from chronic and deliberate yeast infections, if you're always getting them back to back, you can get them bad, or if you're battle with BV, you don't have to worry about it no more. I've read the reviews and it's amazing. I'm so glad that somebody was able to create a product that makes women feel better about themselves, because honestly, when you're off down there, you're off everywhere. Like, you're embarrassed, you don't want people close to you. It can affect your relationships, like whether you're in a relationship with your man or with anybody else. Like, you don't want to be intimate with anybody if you don't feel fresh down there. Yeah, this is really, really good. It says, caution, extreme freshness may occur. He will want to drink up your milk. Keep it PG. But anyway, so yes, guys, make sure you just hop on this and get this. This is your key to freedom from BV. This is your key to freedom from yeast infections. No more being bound to bad odor, throwing off pH. We're going to take control of our bodies in 2019. We're taking control of down there. We're going to be confident in ourselves, taking back our confidence, taking back our happiness, because we're getting fresh all 2019 and moving forward. And that's it, guys. That's all the products you need. That's it. A wash, a deodorizer, some wipes, your vitamins, your Restore. Those need to be by your bedside as well. And yeah, like, I'll have the links down below to all these products, all these amazing products. Make sure you check these things out and get you some, get you some, get you some, get you some. If it's too expensive to buy all the cookie products together, try that subscription box. That's what it's called. I remember now. Get that subscription box and get yourself right. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was excited to put this together for you guys. I had my face beat today. It just was late, and I was like, you know what, let me record this video for my girls out there. So this video is for you. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, show me the love, let me know that y'all are feeling this. Share this video with somebody around you. Tag the businesses so that they know that we showing them love, because they showed us love. And that's just what it is. So I thank you all. Thank you for viewing this video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.